Hey guys, Jason with Teacher Pay Teacher. Thanks for stopping by our store. Here's our solution sets of sentences. It's part of the foundation of algebra. Typically this is done in the first few weeks of an Algebra 1 class as a way to review some number properties. This one's our expert level. We say it's expert because we got more operations that the kids are going to be challenged with. Like we see here, we got 7 times the quantity of 4 minus 3. And we're using distribution because in the previous lesson we distributed. Now we're throwing in some exponents, so we're throwing everything at these kids that we've talked about so far this year. And now we have some fun open-ended questions here. What letter is a replacement set for letter A -- T? Spoiler alert, multiple answers. Then we have some good discussion questions here, such as what do we know about the value of n if n is greater than 0? What do we know about the value of n if it's less than 0? What do we know about the value of 2n? What do we know about the value of 3 times 2x? And these questions are designed to be open-ended so students can have some really good math conversations. Really great for when an administrator walks in. Our next page here, we give them a sentence, and we're going to do some substitution. I like to substitute, in this case, constants for variables, because when we get to solving systems of equations by substitution, I like to start that with a variable, and then add an expression, and then an equation. So that's kind of front-loading or foreshadowing, you will. Then we got some more advanced problems. 2x plus 2 times 3 is equal to 12. One of these numbers may or may not be the correct answer. So as we saw with this first example, we got false, true, true, right? So there's multiple true statements, and we can have a discussion about how there can be more than one right answer. So that's kind of a fun thing to do with the advanced kids, or even all the kids really. One more page here. We've got, once again, we just got a kind of a more complicated expression than what we do with the entry or the merging level, because we're combining PEMDAS and multiple operations. We got a little fraction here, 9 divided by 3, which of course that's going to be 3, so it's not too complicated. And we give them a space for the first replacement, second replacement, third replacement, and then finally a spot for their solution set. 2 more open-ended or discussion kind of questions here. Then we got our answer key. So here, any letters that create words such as about, actor, would be correct. So there's probably some more answers there that I couldn't think of. Here's our answer key. So like the solution set, there's only one solution set for the first one. There's multiple. There's one, there's multiple. So once again, the solution set, that's just your correct answers. This is a fun one here. There's no solution set. And that gets kids geared up to solving equations and the cases where sometimes there's not an answer, right? Some equations don't have answers, just like life, right? There are certain problems in life there's just no answers for. So this is our expert level solution set of sentences. I hope you enjoy it. Hope it's useful. If you like it, buy it, leave us a 5-star rating. If you don't like it, let me know, and I'll work with you to make something that'll be useful for you.